18 August 2020. Morning Murli. Om Shanti. Babdada Madhuban. Sweet children, in order to make your fortune Satopradhan, make a great deal of effort to stay in remembrance. Always remember, I am a soul and I have to claim my full inheritance from the Father. Question: why do some children find it difficult to keep a chart of their remembrance? Answer: because they do not understand the remembrance accurately. When they sit for remembrance, their intellects wander outside. They do not become peaceful. They then spoil the atmosphere. If they don't have remembrance, how can they write their charts? If someone writes lies, he receives a great deal of punishment. Be honest with the true Father. Song: I have come, having awakened my fortune. Om Shanti. Every day, the spiritual father explains to you, children, that you must become soul conscious as much as possible. Have the faith that each of you is a soul and remember the Father, because you know that you have to come to this unlimited Father to create your unlimited fortune of happiness. Therefore, you definitely have to remember the Father. You cannot make your fortune Satopradhan without becoming pure and Satopradhan. Remember this very well. There is only one main thing. Write this down and keep it with you. People write things on their arms. You too can write, I am a soul, am claiming my inheritance from the unlimited Father. Maya makes you forget this. If you have written it somewhere, you can remember it again and again. People put up a picture of Om or of Krishna, etc., so that they can remember it. This is the newest of all the remembrance. Only the unlimited Father explains this to you. By understanding this, you don't only become 100 times fortunate, but you become multi-million times fortunate. Due to not knowing the Father and not remembering Him, you have become poverty stricken. It is only the one Father who comes to make your life happy forever. Although people remember Him, they don't know Him at all. People abroad have learned from the people of Bharat to say that God is omnipresent. When Bharat falls, everyone falls. It is Bharat that is responsible for making itself fall and also for making everyone else fall. The Father says, I come here and make Bharat into heaven, the land of truth. They have defamed the one who creates such a heaven a great deal. They have forgotten him. This is why it is written, when there is extreme irreligiousness, I come. The Father comes and explains the meaning of this too. It is the greatness of the one Father. You now know that the Father definitely comes and that this is why people celebrate the birthday of Shiva. However, they don't value the birthday of Shiva at all. You understand that it must definitely have been because he came here and then departed that his birthday is celebrated. He is the one who establishes the golden aged, original, eternal deity religion. All others know that their religion was established at such and such a time by so and so. Before them, there was only the one deity religion. They don't know at all where that religion disappeared to. The Father now comes and explains to you the Father is the highest of all. There is no praise of anyone else. What is the praise of the founders of religions? The Father carries out establishment of the pure world and destruction of the impure world. He enables you to conquer Maya. This is an unlimited aspect. The kingdom of Ravan exists over the whole unlimited world. It is not a question of the limited Lanka. The story of victory and defeat is of Bharat. All the rest are byplots. It is in Bharat that there are the double crown and single crown kings. None of the other great emperors that have been and gone had a crown of light. Only the deities had this. Deities were, anyways, the masters of heaven. Were they not? Shiv Baba is called the Supreme Father, the Purifier. How can he be given a light? Light can be given to someone who is impure, that is, to someone who has no light. Shiv Baba never becomes one without light. How could you show a light on a point? It is not possible. Day by day, Baba continues to explain many deep points which you should keep in your intellects as much as you can. The main thing is the pilgrimage of remembrance. It is in this that there are many obstacles of Maya. Although some write their charts saying that they have 50% to 60% remembrance, they don't understand what the pilgrimage of remembrance is. They continue to ask, can this be called remembrance? It is very difficult even when you sit here for 10 to 15 minutes. You should check whether you are sitting in remembrance accurately. There are many who are not able to stay in remembrance, therefore, they spoil the atmosphere. There are many who create obstacles because they don't stay in remembrance. Their intellects continue to wander outside the whole day. Therefore, it doesn't become peaceful when they come here, and this is why they don't write their charts. When lies are written, there is a greater punishment. Many children make mistake and then hide them from the father. They do not speak the truth. If you call him the father, but then don't tell him the truth, so much sin would be accumulated. If someone does something really bad, he would be too ashamed to speak the truth about it, and so generally he would tell lies. It is said Maya is false, the body is false, and the world is false. People have become completely body conscious. It is good to speak the truth. Others would then learn from you too. You have to be truthful here. Together with knowledge, the pilgrimage of remembrance is also essential, because it is only through the pilgrimage of remembrance that you yourself and the world are going to benefit. This knowledge is very easy to explain. It is remembrance that requires effort. Everyone knows how a tree emerged from a seed. You have the cycle of 84 births in your intellects. There is also the knowledge of the seed and the tree. The Father is the truth, the living being, and the ocean of knowledge. He has the knowledge which he explains to you. This is something totally uncommon. This is a human world tree. No one knows this either. All have been saying Neti Neti means neither this nor that. If they don't know the duration, what else would they know? Among you two, there are very few who knows this very well. That is why you arrange seminars to get everyone's opinion. Anyone can give advice. It isn't only those whose names are mentioned who can give advice. It isn't that because your name isn't mentioned, you can't give advice. No. If anyone had some advice to give for a service, then just put in writing. The Father says, whenever you want to give some advice, just write to Baba. Baba, service can increase a great deal with this method. Anyone can give advice. Baba will then see the different types of advice that have come. Baba continues to tell you to gather together and think about how to give everyone the message and the benefit of Bharat. Write and tell Baba these things. Maya has put everyone to sleep. The father comes when death is in front of you. The father says it is now everyone's stage of retirement. Whether you study or not, everyone definitely has to die. Whether you make preparations or not, the new world is definitely going to be established. All the good children are making their own preparation. The example of Sudama has been remembered because he brought a handful of rice. Baba, I too should receive a palace. What could he do if he only had a handful of rice and nothing else? Baba gives the example of Mama. She didn't even bring a handful of rice, and yet she claims such a high status. There is no question of money in this. You have to stay in remembrance and make others equals to you. Baba doesn't ask for any fees, etc. Some people understand that they do have some money and so they want to give it to Yagya to be used in a worthwhile way. Destruction is going to take place anyway, and so everything will go to waste. At least let me use something in a worthwhile way. By doing this, every human being definitely gives at least some donations or performs charity. Those donations and charity are from sinful souls to sinful souls. Nevertheless, they do receive a temporary reward for that. For instance, someone who builds a university or a college, etc., if he has a lot of wealth and built a dharamshala, he receives a good home, but there would still be illness, etc. However, if someone builds a hospital, he would have a good health, but all his desires would not be fulfilled through that. Here, all your desires are being fulfilled by the unlimited Father. You are becoming pure. Therefore, it is good to use all your wealth to make the world pure. Is it not? You receive liberation and liberation in life, and that too is for half the cycle. Everyone asks how they can receive the peace that can only be received in the land of peace. There is no peacelessness in the golden age because there is only the one religion there. In the kingdom of Ravan, there is a peacelessness. It is remembered that as a king Rama, so are the subjects of Rama. That is the land of immortality. The word death does not exist in the land of immortality. Here, people suddenly die while just sitting doing nothing. This is called the land of death, and that is called the land of immortality. There is no death there. They shed their old bodies and become children again. There are no diseases. There is so much benefit there. You are becoming ever healthy by following the directions of Sri Sri. Therefore, many spiritual centers like this should be open, even if only a few come. That is no less. At this time, no human beings know the duration of the drama. When they ask you who taught you this, tell them it is the Father who is telling us all of this. There are so many Brahmakumars and Kumaris. You too are a Brahmakumar, a child of Shiv Baba. You are also a child of Prajapita Brahma. This one is the great great grandfather of humanity. We Brahmakumars and Kumaris have emerged from him. There are genealogical trees. Your deity clan is one that gives great happiness. You become elevated here and then go and rule the kingdom there. This cannot stay in anyone's intellect. It has been explained to you children that deities cannot set foot in this Tamopradhan world. There can be traces of their non-living images, but not of their living forms. Therefore, the Father explains, children, stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance. Don't perform any sinful acts, but create a ways of doing service. Children say, Baba, I will become like a Lakshmi and Narayan. The Father says, may there be a rose in your mouth. means may you truly become like that. However, you also need to make effort to do this in order to claim a high status, serve others to make them equal to you. One day you will see that each guide brings 100 to 200 pilgrims with him. As you progress further, you will see everything. You can't be told everything in advance. You will continue to see whatever happens. This is the unlimited drama. You play the main parts with the Father. You are making this old world new. This is the most elevated confluence age. You are now becoming the masters of the land of happiness. There will be no name or trace of sorrow there. The Father is the remover of sorrow and the bestower of happiness. He comes and liberates you from sorrow. Some people of Bharat think that because they have all that wealth and big palaces and electricity, this is heaven for them. All of that is the pomp of Maya. They invent many facilities for happiness. They build huge palaces and buildings, but then death suddenly comes. There is no fear of death there. Here, when someone dies suddenly, they mourn the death of that person so much they go and shed tears for that person at his grave. They all have their own customs and systems. There are many opinions. Such things don't exist in the golden age. There they share a body and take another. You are going to a place where there is so much happiness. You have to make so much effort for that. You have to take directions at every step. Others take directions from their gurus or husbands, or they continue to move along according to their own opinions. How useful or devilish directions! They will only push you towards becoming devilish. You are now receiving God's directions, which are the highest on high. This is why it is said, elevated versions of God. You children are making the whole world into heaven by following the Srimad. You are becoming the masters of that heaven. This is why you have to take Srimad at every step. However, if it is not in someone's fortune, he doesn't follow his directions. Baba had said that if you have any advice to give, then send it to Baba. Baba knows who are worthy to give advice. Many new children continues to emerge. Baba knows which children are good. Shopkeepers should also give advice on how to create methods to give the father's introduction. Continue to remind everyone in the shop. When it was the golden age in Bharat, there was just one religion. There is nothing to become upset about in this. The Father of all is one. The Father says, constantly remember me alone and will be absolved of your sins and you will become the masters of heaven. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost, now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bab Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Essence for the dharana. First point, follow Srimad and serve to make the whole world into heaven. Make many others equal to you. Protect yourself from devilish directions. Second point, make the soul satopradhan by making effort to have the remembrance. Use the handful of rice that you have in a worthwhile way like a Sudama did and have all your desires fulfilled. Blessings. May you constantly be victorious by experiencing tests and problems as entertainment instead of wilting under them. According to the drama, in this effort making life, problems and tests are definitely going to come. To keep your aim of moving forward as soon as you take birth means to invoke tests and problems. Since you have to follow the path, how would it be possible for there to be no scenes along the path? However, instead of going through those scenes, if you engage yourself in making corrections, the connection of remembrance of the Father will then be loosed, and instead of being entertained, you would make your mind wilt. Therefore, continue to sing the song Va Scenes Va and move forward, that is, be blessed with the blessing of being constantly victorious. Slogan: to move along with the codes of conduct means to become the highest being following the highest codes of conduct. Om Shanti.